right, we're doing everything in reverse. From the joist, we're putting a new bearer, and then from the bearer, we're putting a new post, and then we'll concrete that post in. How's it going down there, Pato? You got your shovel, I see?
You got my fossil shovel?
Your fossil shovel? You got an archaeologist builder here. You enjoying this
I love it.
this job?
It's my favourite job in the world.
Pato was telling me how 10 years ago when he started building, this was one of his first jobs. He had to dig under a house and put in posts. And now 10 years later, he's doing the same job. So it goes to show if you put the work in, you know, you can really get somewhere. Nice.
That's it, eh?
That's it. You okay there, Pato? It's been a funny couple of days, hasn't it?
Has been. A little bit.
We added in the concrete post, or concreted a new post. Here, there, there. And we beefed up the support here. Made that wider. Now we're nogging out. Slow process, but we're past the worst of it. So much work in framing this floor. It just looks like a whole bunch of wood, and that's exactly what it is. But we know once it's done, it's going to be very secure, very solid, no movement. So the tiles will have a very strong foundation to sit on. Solid timber, right?
A few trees here, mate.
Like, yeah, half a forest. But look how solid it is when you fucking...
Oh, bro. So solid.
Yeah, you do it and I'll film you. The ply's moving, but... What you doing, bro?
Oh, not much.
You created a bit of a sword, have you?
Bro, it's like this one.
No, is this a challenge? Oh god. Take that. To Valhalla I go.
Gilly's gonna get here and be like, that's all you fucking doing there.
What do you got there, Pato? A magic trick? Holy shit. Mate, you're a magician. I'll see you later, eh?